Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Coinbase Pro application using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Coinbase Pro app, first, make sure you've downloaded the application on your mobile device. If not, go to your App Store for your iOS and Play Store for your Android, download the application on your phone and tap it open. This is the first interface of Coinbase Pro. In order to get started and log into your account, you can tap on the Sign In button located at the lower right. Right in the Sign In page, you'll need to type in your email address and your password associated with your Coinbase account. Type in your email address in the first text box. Right where it says password beneath, go ahead and type in your password correct. Once you do that, you can tap the Sign In button. But in case you've forgotten your password for your Coinbase account, tap on Forgot Your Password. Remember that you can go ahead and type in your Coinbase account's credential to log into Coinbase Pro since both of them use the same credentials. Tap the Sign In button and you'll be able to get access to your Coinbase Pro account right from your application using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.